Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a handy tool that every DIY enthusiast and professional needs in their toolkit, the DEWALT Atomic Compact Series 25 feet tape measure, sold as a pack of 2. We've found this product online, and you can check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what makes the DEWALT Atomic Compact Tape Measure stand out. This isn't just any ordinary tape measure. It boasts a maximum reach of 13 feet, which means you can extend the tape farther without it tipping over or bending. This feature is particularly useful when you're working alone and need to measure longer distances without help. The build quality is impressive, designed to be straighter and stronger, which ultimately improves your measuring efficiency. One aspect that really caught my eye is its 20% more compact grip. This ergonomic design makes it easier to handle, providing better control, especially when you're in tight spaces or working with one hand. Whether you're measuring in a cramped room or up on a ladder, this tape measure fits comfortably in your grip, making it less likely to slip from your fingers. Another fantastic feature is the integrated finger brake. This allows for improved blade control, which is essential when you need to retract the tape quickly or hold it in place for precise measurements. The last thing you want is for the tape to snap back unexpectedly, and this finger brake helps ensure that doesn't happen. Let's not overlook the fractional blade graphics, which are cleverly designed for quick and easy measuring. If you're someone who often works with fractions, like carpenters or builders, this will save you time and reduce the chance of errors in your measurements. You can glance at the tape and instantly see your measurements without having to do any mental math. Durability is another key feature of the DEWALT Atomic Compact Tape Measure. It comes with a durable blade coating that prolongs the life of the blade, making it resistant to wear and tear. If you're someone who frequently takes your tools on job sites or uses them in rugged conditions, this durability will be a significant advantage. So, who is this tape measure suitable for? The DEWALT Atomic Compact Tape Measure is perfect for a wide range of users. Whether you're a professional contractor, a weekend warrior tackling DIY projects, or even a homeowner looking to make some home improvements, this tool is designed to meet your needs. Its compact size and ease of use make it an excellent choice for anyone who values efficiency and precision. Now, let's discuss some practical use cases. If you're a carpenter, you might find this tape measure invaluable for framing and layout work. The 13-foot reach allows you to measure spaces without needing a second person to hold the other end. For those of you into home improvement, this tape can help with everything from measuring wall space for new furniture to figuring out how much tile you need for a bathroom renovation. Even if you're just hanging pictures or shelves, having a reliable tape measure makes the process so much easier. In conclusion, the DEWALT Atomic Compact Series 25 feet tape measure is a versatile tool that combines durability with user-friendly features. Whether you're measuring for a small project or a larger construction job, this tape measure is designed to provide accuracy and ease of use. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.